Welcome to Mondays with Melissa. I'm Melissa Brett, co-owner of Weldon Hardware, your hometown hardware store. Today I would like to share with you some very important safety information on an issue that can affect just about every human or pet who steps outside: ticks. As you may know, tick bites may lead to more serious health issues such as Lyme disease. It typically peaks in summertime, but we see an all-time record of reported cases this year. Black-legged ticks, commonly known as deer ticks, shown here, compared to a dime, are much smaller than other ticks, and sometimes very hard to spot until it has become a problem. So what can you do for yourself and your beloved pets? When you and your family are working in the yard or taking a hike on your favorite trail, wear taller socks and lawn pants and light-colored clothing. You can apply a repellent that contains permethrin on your clothes or DEET on your skin. This will work on mosquitoes and ticks alike. There are all natural products as well out there, but they're not always effective in heavily infested areas. For longer lasting repelling for your yard, the most effective product is granular permethrin. Spread evenly using a lawn spreader, then water lightly to activate. It is safe for most pets and children when used as directed. Now for your pet, either use a topical repellent or oral preventative, which should be used on your pet all year round, not just in the warmer months. Check with your vet on what products would work best for your furry best friends. Now, after coming in from outside, check you and your pets. A trick that we have found effective, especially on dark furred pets, use a lint roller, as that will help remove any ticks that haven't attached themselves yet. Focus on their legs and belly. And if you are wearing dark clothes or shoes, do the same on yourself. If you find a tick on you or your pet, don't try to squeeze it off. That's the worst thing. You can either try the tweezer method, but if the head of the tick is buried under the skin, this may not work and can be painful to you or your pet. We have found a great tool called the Tick Key that can be attached to your keychain or a dog collar. It can remove all types of ticks, from the smaller deer tick to the larger types of ticks with almost no pain. If you need guidance or suggestions at choosing a product for tick prevention, please don't hesitate to ask us. We'll gladly help you figure out everything you need. Thank you for watching this week's edition of Mondays with Melissa, and I can't wait to share more of us at Weldon Hardware with you at home.